everybody, I'm Abby with Boulevard Home. A few weeks ago we reviewed the Traeger and we talked about how it's not just for meat recipes, you can also do vegetables. So today I'm going to show you one of my favorite vegetarian recipes. Today we're going to be making a super quick and easy recipe. Grilled corn on the cob with garlic and Parmesan, and it only takes 25 minutes to cook and there's only 5 simple ingredients. Before you start, preheat your Traeger to 450 for 15 minutes. This Traeger doesn't have a 450 button, so we just put it on high. And I'm using the Mesquite pellets. This recipe is super simple. Literally all you do, you take 2 tablespoons of melted butter, you add your salt and pepper, your crushed garlic, and then you peel back the husks. You're gonna brush on the butter mixture, put the husks back on, put it on the grill for 25 to 30 minutes, take it off, and then when you're ready to serve, you take off the husks, drizzle on the extra butter, and you're good to go. Now that our corn is all buttered and ready to go, we're just gonna throw it on the grill. So you're gonna let these cook for 25 to 30 minutes until they're just like kind of soft, and you wanna turn them occasionally so they don't get too burnt on one side. So our corn has been on the Traeger for 25 minutes, so they're done. So we're gonna take them off. So now the corn has cooled down a little bit, we're gonna take off the husks, cut off these little ends, and then we're gonna butter them again, and then they're gonna be ready to serve. Now that our corn husks are removed and the corn is perfectly tender, we're gonna plate it like we're on Food Network or something. Wasn't that easy? And it's super delicious. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and let us know in the comments if you have any Traeger recipe requests.